Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back and do not forget to subscribe for daily tech videos. So OnePlus NORD is completely crushing the internet nowadays and yes you can get the OnePlus NORD for free given that you are a little bit creative. So this is a contest by OnePlus where they will be giving away the OnePlus NORD to a person who can make the best memes. Yes, memes equals a free phone. This is truly a bold world we all live in. I know we all think that we are the funniest person alive and we could make world-class memes if we want to. So guys, this is your chance right now. Make a meme about the OnePlus NORD. This could either be a video or just a regular image meme and share it over on Twitter using the hashtag OnePlus NORD meme, and for good measures also tag Carl Pai, Pete Lu and a couple of official OnePlus pages and you will be good to go. The best memer will be contacted by OnePlus directly and will receive the smartphone soon after the launch. Also a bit of advice, video meme probably has a greater chance of winning, but if you can make a nice image meme that could also work. But do something new because everyone will be using the common ones like this and this. Here are a couple of nice memes I found on the internet about the Nord, so enjoy. I will see you guys in my next video with the OnePlus Nord prices. Until then, goodbye, enjoy the memes and may the best memer win.
You know what? They'd already started repairs, so we couldn't even take it anywhere else.
Yeah, shit the way they do that.
Tell me about it. 2.5 grand later, and then... Hey, what's going on?
It's mine, Daddy. Noah keeps taking away from me.
Noah, give it back.
No.
Noah, give it back.
No.
I said give it back now. Noah!
Larry, what the hell are you doing?
Larry!
Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh, are you all right? How did...
Larry!
Righto, what's going on here?
Sir, I'm arrested. Oh! Arrest... Oh!
What's up, regular size man?